Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing on Netflix. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search for Netflix. Then we click on stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. In this page we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.